In front of me is iPhone 15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section called Face ID and Passcode. Now scroll again, this time to tap on Turn On Passcode, available here. And before doing anything, select Passcode Options to tap on the best one for you. 4-digit numeric code, 6-digit numeric code, custom numeric code, or custom alphanumeric code. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, it's time to create it. And if you ever see this pop up, please change your passcode because it's way too easy. Because this is just an example, I will tap on use anyway. Now you need to repeat your passcode to confirm it. And as you can see, after a few seconds, it was successfully applied. Make sure to tap on Required Passcode here and tap on one of those options. Personally, I always recommend to choose immediately, because if you will pick one of those options, your phone won't be locked for 1 minute after closing, 5, 15, 1 hour or 4 hours, making it accessible for anybody. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that passcode is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!